Alright. Head over to the beach part of it. It's gonna be hard for me to get grip on this. Bro. Oh, it's Suicide Boys. Okay. I like it loud enough so you guys can't hear it, but I can hear it. It's funny because literally all these houses are Airbnbs now. Oh my god, the moped is still standing. I wonder if they put it inside or something. That moped literally never moves. It's getting dark out, which kind of gets scary. On the Kawasaki, I have no maneuverability, but there's underglow on it, so you're more visible. When this, I have more room, but again, it's wet out, so oh, fuck's my car. Well, this thing's got a smiley face on it, looks like. Point Pleasant's popping though. Valentine's Day got motherfuckers down here. Let's not do a U-turn, buddy. This is Point, at least. Pretty good with the cops around here. Because I do work with the guys that keep these power lines up, so. I always drive with my high beam on. People who say, when you get your motorcycle license, if you go to the school, they're going to tell you not to ride with your high beams on. Ride with your fucking high beams on. Because I don't care what anyone says. Any type of light on your bike makes you more protected. I don't give a shit what anyone says. Like, right, I believe, like, even though you look stupid is absolute fuck wearing a high-vis vest, 100% you should. I'm not, but 100% you should. Don't be me. That's basically what I say. Don't be like me. Don't ride like me. That's basically what I'm saying. Don't look like, don't nothing like, ooh, nice, like, don't do nothing like me. It's getting a little colder out, but yeah, don't be like me. Wear high vis at night, more lights. Even though the underglow is illegal in some states, I don't think it's illegal in all states. It might be, I don't fucking know, because I don't deal with that shit. But you know, just look up your regulations. Make sure you have underglow, lights, anything's the best thing to fucking do. Especially those guys who ride like long. Like, I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, you can go around your neighborhood and still get hit, but let me tell you, man, even just one little fucking extra light can really, that shit can save your life. I haven't been riding that long. I haven't even been riding for a year yet. So I'm fortunate right now. And I don't, people say experience, but realistically, when it comes down to the other drivers, I mean, unless you're going like down like fucking hills and stuff on a sports bike, yeah, but if you get hit by somebody else, it doesn't matter if you have a month of experience or 15 years of experience. If you go down, you're going down. It's simple as that. Granted, I mean, of course, a lot of people, they have luck, but I hate making lefts because everyone that's behind you is just like waiting to get fucking rammed, basically. There's people there, so I'm gonna go down to the next one. Fuck, man. Why is everyone here? It's Valentine's Day, I get it, but like, fuck off. Let me get a spot. I don't want to, it's Valentine's Day. I don't want to walk in one of these fucking cars and fucking two college people are fucking. Cars? Cars? No cars. Perfect. Okay. Let's walk up here without busting my ass, because I'm wearing cowboy boots. A little over the line. You would think a guy on a dirt bike wouldn't pass the line, right? Tell you, man, I don't like the beach, but I'm saying this like I'm fucking old or something, but I kinda am. Oh shit! I didn't realize this isn't fucking sand. This is snow. I'm a dumbass. It's okay. Well. Oh. Fuck me, man. It's just cool though. I wouldn't love to live here because I like my quads and woods and shit, but I love the fishing at least. I'd get used to fishing the beach. I'd probably like it more. These are all fucking Airbnbs and shit, but that's where I'm gonna end the video. See you guys. Peace and bye. We might not be. We might be. I hope we are. Because this is all snow, so if I bust my ass, I want it to be on camera. But I'm thinking that this might be part of the other video. So you already seen me walk across this. Oh, I took the smarter way this time. Oh, yeah, no content of me busting my ass today. Oh, we still got this. I'm good. And I'm down. And I'm strutting. And I'm strutting. And I'm strutting. And I'm strutting. I got no music playing. I'm just autistic. I'm not gonna walk across this ice. Hopefully not bust my ass. It's not that slippery for ice though. Of course I park in the one fucking icy spot. Well, not icy, but water spot I should say. Let me see if I'm recording. I should be. I am. Alright, let's start this old girl back up. This old girl. Baby girl, what's your name? Let me talk to ya. I'm in a gear. It's a good thing with these. I don't know if older bikes do. They probably do, but these older bikes, newer bikes, not older. This is a new bike. It ain't new, but I classify it as a newer bike because it is a 2017. And then we got the license plate, which, yeah, you can't read that. Don't read that. Don't look at that. You've probably seen it, but fuck it. I gotta get into fucking neutral. Fuck me, man. I'm losing my balance and shit over here. God. Turn her around. Turn her around. Gotta swing my leg over this bitch. Okay. And I'm on. And we're off. And we're racing. I'd say I won. I don't know who the fuck is running this. Well, actually, I'm fat, so I'm not running. I guess this is good weather to run in. I did say it was like 40 degrees in the last video. It was 48 today. We're gonna completely ignore that sign, only because it'll take me 5 hours to turn that, because in the summertime these turn into sensor lights and they do not, and my phone's in the wrong pocket. But my phone is in the wrong pocket. God damn it. Luckily, I'm not going too far up the road. Oh God, just going for a ride, going for a ride, let it ride. This was really slippery when I went through here in the last video, or it might be part of the same video. I don't fucking know anymore, to be honest. These videos we're all fucked. But I figured I might as well make the best out of today. My phone is literally about to fall out of my fucking pocket. But luckily, I'm not going too far. Even though I can't see shit because of all these fucking cars. And I gotta get in the very far left lane. That was smooth. That was nice. I like that. Brother, went straight. Nobody ever goes straight on that turn. And this road is just all wet. Just literally there's a puddle I'm about to go in. Brother. It's not worth riding a fucking motorcycle these days. Meow, meow. How to get in that far right lane? Urgent care. I think it's an urgent care. Yeah, it is. Emergency, whatever the fuck. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Like I said, I'm not stupid. I just have the stupidism. We're gonna go right in here.